Hi friends, I am Devjit here to present you another video. Today we look about the Lucena position. It is white to play and it is winning for white. This is the Lucena position. The main features of this position: white has a pawn on 7th rank and the king is on 8th. And white has a rook and black has a rook. King rook versus king rook and pawn. Now the question arises how white can win. To win this, the white has a method that uses 3 steps. So let's look it. The first step is to kick away the king from the f file. So to kick away the king from f file, the first move is rook f2 check. Now black can play 3 moves. First, king e6, second king g6, and third king g7. Look at the first move, king e6. It is very easy to refute. Now I like give time to our viewers to find how white should continue from this position for 10 seconds. If you didn't find the answer in 10 seconds, then you can pause the video and find the correct move. Now let's look. The winning move for white is king e8. Now whatever black plays, white is winning. The fourth move is rook cross d7. In all other moves, white promotes the queen. Now white plays rook e2 check. After king d6, white plays rook d2. Skewer. King e6, rook cross d7. White is winning. Next, let's look what if black plays king g6. After king g6, we have to use our second step. The second step is to building a bridge. This maneuvering of building a bridge was first introduced by our legend Aaron Nimzowitsch. The second step is to make the bridge, white must play rook f4. So this is you have to place your rook 3 ranks away from your pawn. So 3 ranks is rook f4, 1, 2, 3. Same for black. If it is black is making the bridge, black plays similarly rook on 5th rank. In white case it is 4th rank. So let's look. After king g7, white plays king c7 check, king d6 check, king c6 again check, king d5. Now if black checks, white blocks the check with rook d4. This is a main idea for which at first white kick away the king from the f file. So after rook cross d4, king cross d4, now the king is far away from the pawn. So black can't stop the pawn from promoting. Let's take a look what if black plays king g7 first. Same, white plays king c7 check, king d6 check, king c6. Now what if black plays king b6? Now instead of check, if black can play king g6. Now white plays simple rook f8, and after some check white get the promotion. Look, it is bad to play king coming from this d5 because at any time white can play check and take this pawn. So the best way is king b5 and come from the sides. Okay, I hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.